Overkill cooking show, yeah. Okay, welcome back to another Overkill video. Today it's a cooking show. I am Joey right now. I'm pointing to myself, and this is Cole.
Hello.
So we're gonna cook some delicious calzones. So you want to start with washing your hands, getting all your materials ready, and all your things, as seen right here. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Now these are some napkins to set our things on, and we're making. You think it's pizza or something, but it's actually calzones.
Okay, we're gonna roll it now.
Okay,
what do we do?
I have no clue. We're very amateur. We need a. Wait, let me try.
I am somewhat okay at cooking because I've been to large amounts of cooking classes. I go to cooking classes. I went to Cooking 101 for a while, and I made lots of stuff. And then, for some weird reason, that got canceled, and we had to go out someplace really, really far to do it, which was kind of unexpected. But I am okay with cooking. It's one of the things I'm more skill in, like more of a hobby, kind of like fishing.
Oh my.
Oh, it's kind of overlapped there.
Okay.
We can smush it down if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, smush it down.
Let's make.
Okay.
We're gonna make one giant hot pocket.
Yeah, smush that.
Yeah. Hot
There you go.
pockets.
Except it's gonna be a homemade one. So
Homemade hot pockets.
super
Right.
flies. So what you're gonna start off with is
Marinara.
pouring the marinara all
These are both
over
marinara, right?
the
I need this.
metal. Yeah, we need the spoon. Pour.
These are
pour,
both marinara,
pour.
right?
Yes.
Pour.
Well, pour it all. Just pour it through the middle.
Look at all the blood.
It's not blood.
I know.
Okay, now what
It's
you're
jam.
gonna want to do is to
Distribute it evenly throughout the calzone.
Mark speaks all the time.
Maybe once we're done with the thing, you could like plug it into the computer and send it over me, and can put it through my editing processor because I have a really, really expensive one.
Ooh. But I think we should just use Windows Live Movie Maker because I mean honestly, it's,
Yeah, whatever. I don't have. That's because I don't have Windows Live Movie Maker.
yeah.
Which side? That side?
Here.
Oh, I was doing it on this side.
But there's no
That
sauce
side?
on
Which
that
side?
Joey.
This one or that one?
Put it on the
This
side
one.
with sauce, Joey.
Okay.
Can I have some more?
So I'm just putting it just
Oh,
evenly distributed.
that's like the whole entire middle. I thought you just said not to do that.
I know.
Which side are we doing?
This one.
This one. Okay. Can I?
That should be enough cheese.
This is enough cheese.
Just
I
spread
think
it around.
We just got spread it around.
Come on, just triggered.
Triggered spread.
Triggered cheese.
Trigger cheese.
Trigger trees.
Trigger
No.
trees.
Wait, shout out to Cheese Grater Man for helping us make this.
Yes, cheese grater man. We're gonna every pepperoni we're gonna rip in half, or inside like 2 pieces each, and then we don't have to use as much, but still have meat inside
Okay.
every bite. Though we want extra meat, which is pretty weird.
Extra.
Extra meat.
Extra meeting day. Like, hello, office manager, how are you?
I love it. See, only like one more piece of pepperoni for me and one more piece of pepperoni for you, and that'll be good.
I got some sauce on my cut.
Oh no, cut?
Yeah, I have like a little tiny cut right here.
I hate when that happens.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add
You
some.
especially know where they are when you wash them with soap.
We're gonna put a bit more cheese on top of this so that
I thought you
don't
just said that was enough.
We're not saying that's enough toppings, and then more sauce on it. Sauce.
Like, oh,
There's a
just
spoon.
splatter it over.
There's a spoon there.
Oh, cool.
Oh yeah.
My favorite thing to do inside of pizza is put olive oil on the pizza.
Also, tip when you're making hot dogs, if you add like a slight bit of oil to it, and then sprinkle a bit of salt into the water that you're boiling your hot dogs in, it is really good.
Well, only if you boil hot dogs.
Yeah, only if
For
you
me, I don't boil them. I grill them with olive oil and balsamic.
It depends on the occasion. When I'm usually eating them in the house,
Just a drizzle, okay?
I always.
That's enough.
That's a
way a
lot.
lot.
I know. Now I spread it around.
At least
the
it's
spoon.
okay.
No, it's fine.
I usually
It'll
have-
disperse.
I usually
It'll
have some at
disperse.
the Italian restaurants
now?
I go to.
Grab the parchment.
The bread.
No, grab
and
the actual
oil.
paper. Fold it in half. Meet at the seams. Yep, just like that, and then push. Just make sure that
And
you
then
don't have the
slide.
paper inside the.
Then do we
No,
peel?
the paper stays on
Okay.
because it's going to crisp up inside the paper. Okay.
And
And go put it inside the oven.
this fugitive.
Okay. And now we'll be back after it's cooked.
2 hours later.
Guys, we are done.
Oh, that looks so good.
All we need now is a couple more ingredients.
Like, I don't know what I'm adding here, but it tastes good, so I like it.
You could also add the seasoning before you bake the pizza for you viewers that might like a different approach.
Yeah. I'm ready.
You have to do it
Dun
hard.
dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Very good.
Oh, steamy.
Steamy.
Don't burn your mouth.
It's too hot for my hands. Delicious looking nonetheless. Enjoy. Now, let's try to take a bite.
I'm gonna cut myself up a piece.
It's super hot.
Yeah.